Well, there's the cruise ships going by between the islands. There's one. There's two. And there's three. Going up between the islands. Yeah. Pretty cool, eh? That's a fair ways away, actually. It's a fair ways away. Way over there. Yeah, way over there. Cool, eh? Cruise ships always going up and down through here. Always. Ciao. The sun was out full this morning at 7 a.m. or earlier even, but now it's getting quite overcast. Quite overcast everywhere around, which is a good sign. I got a funny feeling this heat wave might just end today. It's not that bad. It's nice breezy out, but there's cloud coming everywhere. It's breezy, it's nice and warm, but it's not hot. And it's gorgeous. I got a funny feeling, like I said, the heat wave is done, I think. I think we're done. We'll find out in a couple hours, won't we? Oh, so let's just watch this beautiful view. Beautiful morning view. Oh, it's great waking up here without the mosquitoes. Sleeping here without the mosquitoes. Crazy. I think I need a coffee. Gotta get my brain started. It's definitely clouding up real good now. Definitely clouding up real good. Sort of the air is a bit muggy, but it feels cool because the breeze is blowing. It just feels really, really nice. But yeah, this cloud cover is gonna beat this heat wave. It's gonna knock it back. Get us back to normal. Yeah. Excellent. Now I gotta go make breakfast. It's almost 8:30, I think. Yeah. Ciao. So the sky cleared up real well. Cleared up completely. Completely. Blue sky everywhere. Yeah. But the cool thing is it's only 24 degrees. So it's not a sweltering heat wave like before. Yeah, it's a lot cooler now, a lot better now. We've got very good breeze going on over here, so it's really nice over here. I came over here just up to Whiskey Creek again to get out of the sun and stuff and hopefully get some things done, but I've come up with a couple of complications with my project, the one project I wanted to do here with these wood panels and the styrofoam here, insulation, putting it up underneath my camper here. Yeah, a couple of big complications. I have to do some cutting and stuff like that. Like up under here, right up under there, in there, I have to cut a piece out of there, which is fairly simple. I can do that with a skill saw or just a coping saw, the hand saw. Can do that. But another thing too is, found out these are metal plates on both ends, and I was just going to screw everything up into the wood up on the top in here, but now I have to go get another drill. I don't have any drills left, so I have to drill holes, pre-drill the holes in the metal plate there so I can screw those in. So that's one of the problems there too. And then I have another one on the other end over there. Down in there, there's a dip in the wood, so I have to make a piece that'll fit in there when I screw it up there, and it'll just seal it off perfectly. So a couple of little issues going on there with my project, so I don't know. It's already 2:30 in the afternoon, and I've just been having a lazy day. I was down at the beach and everyone kept talking to me for so long I couldn't get away from the beach. Yeah, my day just went and ran uptown to do a couple of things and came down here, and it's yeah, I'm just doing a lazy day I think today and trying to get away with doing nothing. Anyway, I'll think of whether I want to do something or not, and maybe we'll just go from there. Okay, ciao for now. So apparently I'm not going to get much done today on the projects, because apparently every project that I need to do seems to need a drill bit and I don't have any, so I gotta go pick some up maybe tomorrow or sometime. Anyway, it's pretty nice out here. It's pretty cool. We got a good breeze going here, and the girls have been running around, so they're kind of having a nap right now inside. And you know what, I'm just gonna pack it in for the day on projects of any kind, and just be another lazy day, and I'm gonna take off and go get myself a Bigfoot burger and maybe some fries, Sasquatch fries maybe. And I don't know, it's been a couple months now, so I don't know, I might even decide to have a beer. I think I deserve one. I guess we'll see when we get there. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Not bad. Can I get a big kahuna and a small Sasquatch fry and a blue buck? Blue buck.
And that's everything for you today?
That's everything today.
Right. Can I grab your name, please?
Kent.
Kent? Alright. And you're on the patio?
I'm on the patio.
You can have number 8.
Number 8.
Yes.
Number 8.
Not really significant, so I know where to bring the food.
Okay.
24.55.
So I'm just gonna sit here and on my Blue Buck malt beverage. Tasty when you only have it once every 2 months. I'm just gonna sit out here and wait for my food. Sit under these cool umbrellas here in the shade. Nice little breeze happening over here. Pretty good. So yeah, I can't beat that. Don't have the girls, they're having a nap. Yeah, so I'll just sit here and wait for my food and enjoy. So, see you in a minute. Ciao. So here we go, our food has arrived. Look at this. Look at the Sasquatch fries. Look at the bacon all over the top of that. Smothered in bacon. It's got a cheese sauce and some kind of garlic sauce or something. It tastes amazing. Those are amazing fries. When you come down here, you gotta check them out. And the big Kahuna burger. This is fabulous. It's got cheese on it. It's got lettuce and onion. And this sauce here, this sauce is just amazing. It's hard to even describe. It's sort of a sweet and spicy, and oh, it's crazy, crazy. It's like Hawaiian and Mediterranean and everything all wrapped into one. It's an amazing burger, amazing. So this is gonna be fantastic. I can't wait to mow down on all this. Let's get at it. And I've always got to start with the fries here because I love bacon and these are delicious. You gotta try these to believe them. They're amazing, amazing, just fantastic. So there you go. You've seen me eat I don't know how many times, so why don't you go away and leave me alone so I can eat, and I'll talk to you soon. Ciao for now. That was amazingly delicious, as usual. A lot of noisy vehicles around this neighborhood. Anyway, we're done that. That was so good. Let's go see how the girls are doing. Even if they even noticed I was gone. They were asleep when I left. So let's go check on them right now. All right. Well, it sounds like someone actually did miss me. Oh, did you miss me, girls? Did you miss me, girls? Did you miss me, girls? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. They can't. They're fighting over me. They're fighting over me. Okay. Ciao for now.